Welcome back to Beautyistic, where real reviews meet real results. Today, we're diving into a highly buzzed-about device in the world of at-home facial sculpting. The NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit in the Velvet Rose Limited Edition. This sleek little gadget promises professional-grade microcurrent toning from the comfort of your home. But does it actually deliver results, or is it just another pretty face in the lineup of beauty tech? The NuFACE Mini Plus is a portable, FDA-cleared, microcurrent facial device designed to tone, lift, and contour the face and neck using low-level electrical currents. It's paired with their Aqua Gel Activator, which includes IonPlex technology, a proprietary blend of glacial water and ions meant to maximize conductivity and deliver hydration. In this kit, you'll also find an applicator brush for even gel application, plus access to the NuFACE Smart app, which unlocks exclusive treatments and helps you track progress with tools like the selfie tracker. Let's talk real-world experience. I use the Mini Plus consistently over a 3-week period, 5-minute sessions, 5 times a week, focusing on my jawline, cheeks, and forehead. The gel itself felt cooling and hydrating, absorbing well without leaving any tackiness. The device is lightweight and fits easily in your hand, which made it simple to maneuver along the contours of my face. The application brush helped apply the gel evenly, but to be honest, I still preferred using my fingers for quicker blending on busy mornings. During testing, I focused on key use cases, post-work wind-down routines, early morning depuffing, and even travel. Yes, it fits in a carry-on. The biggest shift? I started noticing subtle firmness in my jawline and brow area by week 2. While it's not a facelift in a box, it definitely gave my skin a more awake and contoured look, especially when paired with my usual skincare. That said, results aren't instant without consistency, and it's not a one-and-done miracle. Let's break it down with some pros and cons. Pros: compact, travel-friendly design, FDA-cleared and backed by clinical testing, customizable treatments through the app, noticeable lifting effects with consistent use. Gel is hydrating and non-irritating, even for my sensitive skin. Cons: requires commitment. Results aren't visible overnight. Gel activator refills can get pricey over time. No intensity level adjustments on the Mini Plus model. App integration, while helpful, isn't a must for everyone. Is this review helpful so far? If it is, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so more beauty lovers can find their way to Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep the reviews real and unbiased. Now, on to value for money. At its current price point, the NuFACE Mini Plus sits at the premium end of at-home skincare devices. While it doesn't offer the customizable intensity of the full-size NuFACE Trinity, it still brings solid toning benefits, especially when used consistently. Considering the cost of regular spa microcurrent treatments, this device can pay for itself in just a few months. Just know that you'll need to replenish the activator gel regularly, so factor that into your budget. In terms of comparison, the Mini Plus holds its own against similar devices like the Foreo Bear Mini or Zip GX. The NuFACE Mini Plus lacks the LED integration that some other devices offer, but where it wins is its simplicity, FDA clearance, and long-standing brand credibility in the microcurrent space. The results feel more lifting-focused versus glow-boosting, which is important to keep in mind depending on your skin goals. Build quality is top-notch. The device feels sturdy, well-balanced, and doesn't overheat during use. The gel is packaged in a hygienic pump bottle, and the included brush is a nice bonus, though not essential. Longevity-wise, with proper care, the device should last years. Just keep the charging cable handy. It needs a full charge after several sessions. As for customer support, NuFACE has a decent reputation. While I didn't personally need to contact them, they offer tutorials, responsive app updates, and a well-built FAQ section. Many users report timely responses and helpful service, which adds to the brand's credibility. Now, if you're not ready to invest just yet, or if the price tag is a little steep, you might want to look at alternatives like the Foreo Bear Mini, which offers similar results with T-sonic pulsations and app control, or the Zype GX, if you're after a slightly more luxe, tech-heavy experience. Just note that most reputable microcurrent devices tend to fall into a similar price range, so drastic savings may mean sacrificing clinical efficacy or safety features. So, what's the final verdict? The NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit delivers on its promise of gradual, visible improvement in facial tone and contour, especially for users willing to commit to a routine. It's not a quick fix, and it won't replace your esthetician, but for anyone looking to incorporate firming, sculpting, and toning into their skincare routine without leaving the house, this is a solid science-backed tool. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product down below in the description or comments. And if you've already tried this microcurrent must-have, drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Did you see a difference? We'd love to hear it. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.